Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to dry clothes in Project Zomboid. First, check if your clothes are wet by hovering over the item in your inventory. Wet clothing increases your character's discomfort and can contribute to getting cold, so drying them is important. One of the easiest ways to dry clothes is by using a clothes dryer. Find a washing machine and dryer set inside houses or laundromats. Open the dryer's inventory, place the wet clothing inside, then turn the dryer on by right-clicking on it. After a short time, the clothing will become completely dry and ready to wear again. Another method is drying clothes naturally. Simply remove the wet clothing and place it in your inventory or on the ground while your character stays in a dry area. Over time, the clothes will gradually dry on their own, especially if you're indoors and not exposed to rain. And that's how you dry clothes in Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.